So, your work involves creating and managing curriculum, but creating and managing thousands of courses, programs, and proposals involves processes, spreadsheets, forms, emails, and unversioned documents that just won't work together. Frankly, it's a mess. Introducing Global IT Factory's Curriculum Management System, the all-in-one solution designed to cover all aspects of curriculum management. An intuitive user experience helps you design and manage modern curriculum consistently and with ease. Collaboration is seamless, letting reviewers make comments, track changes, and stay informed to ensure input is shared. Definable workflows ensure control at every step of your approvals process with fine-grained authorization, then publish swiftly at a single touch. Less time wasted means more money saved and a more agile curriculum portfolio in a changing world. We can help you consolidate your curriculum information in a secure, collaborative, and accessible single source of truth. Introducing Global IT Factory's Curriculum Management System. Curriculum management beautifully simplified. Global IT Factory, conquering new heights in curriculum management.